Developing tonight, the highest court in the land announcing it will tackle the contentious issue of same-sex marriage. 7 News reporter Don Champion live in the newsroom looking into what impact this Supreme Court decision could have on our state. Don?
And that is yet to be seen, Teresa. Today's announcement by the Supreme Court came after weeks of speculation. The first case the court will take up is the DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act, which on the federal level recognizes marriage as being between a man and a woman. The second case is California's Proposition 8, the ballot initiative that basically spells out the same thing in that state. Now, we did speak to a lawyer with the GLBT Center of Colorado about the implications a Supreme Court decision could have on here in Colorado.
So we're unsure at this time of whether or not what the U.S. Supreme Court ruling would be, if it would affect that or not, or if it would still be a state-by-state process to remove those constitutional amendments.
Now, you may recall that voters in Maryland, Washington, and Maine approved same-sex marriage in November, adding to about a half dozen other states in Washington, D.C. that have already done so. Here in Colorado, I did speak to several people behind the push for civil unions, and they tell me tonight that the issue will definitely come up during the new session at the State House in January. Meantime, the Supreme Court will likely hear the marriage cases in March, and we could hear a decision by June or summer of next year. Teresa, no doubt they could be huge landmark decisions.
Yeah, and a lot of legislators already predicting this will pass in Colorado. We'll have to see next session, Don.
Indeed.
Thanks so much.